I'm making baked fish Veracruz style, using 1 can of Muir Glen medium chili starter and 1 can of mild chili starter for the perfect balance of spice. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime all over white flaky fish like tilapia, halibut, sea bass, or snapper. Season it with salt and freshly ground pepper and set it aside. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and then heat olive oil in a large baking dish set over 2 burners. Add thinly sliced sweet onions and sprinkle them with salt to help release the juices. Sauté until soft and translucent and then add thinly sliced garlic cloves, fresh rosemary, oregano, sage, and bay leaves. Sprinkle in capers and sliced green Manzanilla olives and give it a stir. Pour in 1 can of Muir Glen mild chili starter and 1 can of Muir Glen medium chili starter and give it a stir. Let it simmer to reduce and add smoked paprika. Nestle your fish into your tomato sauce and transfer it to the oven to cook for 30 minutes, basting it with sauce halfway through. Serve it up in bowls with crusty bread or set it aside to serve later. This dish works really well cooked in advance and warm, as the flavors will develop. Enjoy!